Welcome to this videocast. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today we're going to show you a really easy way to print an Excel sheet to one page. Let's do it. First, we're going to go to the File, which is located on the top bar. We click on Print. Now we will see the printing options. We can check how many pages the data from the table will take us. We have a page count of 4. If we want all data to be printed on one page only, click on the icon. No scaling. We have a choice of 3 ways to print the sheet. Excel can also place all columns or rows on one page. All these options can be found here. We will select the option, Fit Sheet on one page. All sheets were displayed on one page. Now we can select the page orientation option, which suits us better, either portrait or landscape. Our sheet looks better if it is portrait, so we will choose this option. Just click on Print. We're done. We just needed a few clicks. What do you say? It was easy? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or liking. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to use Excel quickly and really easily? If so, be sure to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.